What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'll be taking a deep dive into the RitFit Gazelle Pro. It's a 3-in-1 leg press, hack squat, and reverse hack squat machine that also doubles as a cabaret station. This machine is a serious step up from RitFit's original BLP01 leg press, offering upgraded features, heavier capacity, and a more versatile design. So I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've got a lot to say. I'll break down the pricing, unboxing, assembly, build quality, adjustability, comfort, and performance. Everything you need to know before making a purchase. So let's get started. As of today, the RitFit Gazelle Pro is priced at around $1,000 on Amazon. And some might say that's on the higher end for home gym equipment, but I think it's a fair price considering the quality. And I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. The Gazelle Pro ships in multiple packages, so don't be surprised if they arrive on different days. Each box was pretty heavy, which reflects the product's solid build quality. Everything was well packed, and RitFit did a great job making sure the components were protected. The assembly took about 3 to 4 hours, and the instructions were clear. RitFit provided all the necessary tools, including a custom ratchet wrench that featured the RitFit logo and looked pretty cool. Unfortunately, after using it on a few bolts, I noticed the inside of the wrench started to chip away, which was a bit disappointing. While the wrench looked nice, I ended up using my own ratchet wrenches to finish the job. I assembled the machine solo, but some of the components are pretty heavy, so I definitely recommend having a second person on hand to make the process easier and safer. Now, there's a lot of bolts to tighten, and aligning the mainframe pieces takes a bit of patience. Some sections like the footplate assembly and the shoulder pads took a little time to get just right. The most challenging part was getting the guide rods and safety catches dialed in, but overall, the assembly process went smoothly. Once it was all put together, my first impression is that the Gazelle Pro feels incredibly solid. The movement is smooth, and the construction gives off a true commercial gym vibe. Now, let's talk about the dimensions of this beast. The Gazelle Pro has a footprint of roughly 86.5 inches long, 49 inches wide, and stands about 58 inches tall. The oversized footplate comes in at 21.5 inches long by 30 inches wide and offers great grip during hack squats, with plenty of room to switch up your foot positioning. The leg press board measures in at 16 inches long by 26 inches wide, and it's a nice upgrade from the original BLP01. The back cushion is thick and supportive, definitely comfortable during heavy leg presses. The seat cushion is around 3.5 inches thick, 31 inches long, and 12 inches wide, giving you solid support without feeling stiff. As for the weight plate bars, they're 11 inches long and built to hold 2-inch weight plates with a secure fit. Plenty of room to load up several weight plates on each side. Overall, the dimensions and layout are well thought out. It doesn't take up a ton of space, especially considering how much this machine is rated to handle. This machine is built from reinforced steel, and you can feel the quality right away. It's rated to handle up to 2,000 pounds, way more than most home gym setups will ever need. The oversized foot plates have a textured, non-slip surface for solid footing, and the aluminum alloy guide rails are extra thick, measuring about 5 inches in circumference, which helps keep every rep smooth and controlled. The rollers are made from a durable engineered nylon that feels really sturdy and glides nice and clean along the rails. Overall, the build quality is premium all the way through. The Gazelle Pro is impressively versatile. For hack squats, the footplate offers 4 angle settings and is quick and easy to adjust. When switching to leg presses, the press board gives you 3 adjustable positions to help you dial in on your setup. You also have 5 safety spotter positions, which let you fine-tune your range of motion and lift with confidence. On top of that, there's a safety limit tube designed for solo training. It can be set to 3 different heights for an extra layer of protection when lifting heavy. Comfort is another area where this machine shines. The upgraded thick, dense padding on the backrest and shoulder supports makes a big difference, especially during heavy loads. Plus, the anti-slip leather finish keeps you securely locked in, reducing the chance of shifting or sliding around mid-lift. When it comes to performance, the Gazelle Pro definitely delivers. Here's a few exercises in action. For leg presses, the safety handrails are easy to maneuver and make getting into position feel natural and controlled. And the large adjustable press board gives you plenty of room to experiment with different foot placements. Ultimately, I'm able to go deep in the press to really target those hard to reach areas like the glutes and hamstrings, while still keeping constant tension on the quads. Switching over to hack squats is quick, and the machine transitions easily between modes. The oversized footplate with 4 angle settings helps you find a stance that works for your body. And the shoulder pads and padding keep you secure and comfortable, letting you dig deep into those reps without worrying about shifting or discomfort. Feels really smooth. One feature I really like is the ability to perform reverse hack squats, something I couldn't get too comfortable with on the BLP-01. It really hits the posterior chain hard, especially the glutes and hamstrings, and adds a nice variation to the usual leg day lineup. The shoulder pads are a nice feature to this machine, big upgrade in my opinion, and I was pretty sore the day after shooting this video, which is a sign of results. And yes, calf raises are definitely doable on this machine too. Just position your feet towards the lower edge of the footplate and press through your toes. The range of motion is solid, and because of the machine's stability, you can really isolate the calves without losing balance or momentum. Alright, let's go over the pros and cons. It has a 2,000 pound weight capacity. It comes with a safety limit tube for solo lifting, upgraded guide rods and premium rollers, 5 safety stop positions for added control, and extra thick supportive padding. For the cons, it has a larger footprint, so make sure you have the space. It's a higher cost compared to the basic models, and it's heavy and hard to move, so make sure to assemble it in the spot where you plan to keep it. So is the RitFit Gazelle Pro worth it? Well, if you're looking for a heavy-duty, versatile, and comfortable machine to level up your leg training, this is a fantastic option. The build quality, performance, and safety features really make it stand out. If you have the space and the budget, it's well worth the investment, in my opinion. I hope this review helped you out. If you found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more equipment reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.